Nakapagbili ka naman ng iyong Christmas shopping. And of course, alam ko, ang dami sa inyo nagmamadali this time of the year bumili ng mga gadgets, o mga pangregalo sa inyong mga inaanak, sa inyong mga minamahal sa buhay. And today, pag-usapan natin what are the phones below 7,500 pesos na budget, which I personally consider na okay gamitin and probably okay din pangregalo. Simulan natin. So hi guys, ako si Rich mo, the Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. And first of all, Merry Christmas sa inyo lahat. Happy Holidays. Alam ko lahat kayo are looking for a phone na pangregalo or probably gadgets. And probably nakita nyo ang aking thumbnail na there's a lot of budget phones out there in the market na pwede nyo i-consider pangregalo or probably pangregalo sa sarili ninyo. And of course, not every phones are created equal. There's a lot of brands out there, Oppo, Vivo, Realme, and the likes, Infinix and Tecno. All of them are scrambling, trying to get your attention para bilhin mo ang phone nila pang Christmas. And of course, gusto ko muna simulan with a honorable mention kasi yung range niya is a little bit off those sa 7,500 pesos. This one is the Tecno Pova 4. I personally reviewed this unit and it has one of the better processor out there in the market, Helio G99. 6,000 mAh ang kanyang battery and 90 Hz ang kanyang screen refresh rate. 6.8 inch ang kanyang screen display. Malaki siya and definitely it's good for gaming, it's good for everyday use, and of course, for me, kanyang camera is not so bad. And this one is being priced at around 7,899 this Christmas. So, it's a little bit off sa 7.5. So, nilagay ko siya sa honorable mention. Something that you can consider a little bit above 7,500, the Tecno Pova 4. At kung hindi nyo pa napanood ang full review niya, link is up there. And kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan siya pwede bilhin, link on the description below. So, pag-usapan natin right now, 3 of the phones na I consider na pwede nyo pang regalo or probably pwede nyo gamitin for everyday usage for 2023. And simulan muna natin with my number 3. And this one is the French brand, Rico. Ang Rico Titan right now is being priced at 6,199 and probably would be a little bit lower pagdating sa 1212. What really captivates me dito sa kanya is ang kanyang storage. It has 128 gigs of storage, which for me, around 6,200 pesos, and you'll be getting that big of a storage plus expandable pa siya, is probably not bad. And on everyday usage, tinry ko naman siya as my daily driver. This phone lasts me for more than 2 days ang kanyang battery. 5,000 mAh kanyang battery. And ang kanyang processor is the MediaTek Helio A22. It's not the best in the market. It's not for gaming. But for me, it's okay for everyday usage. Malaki storage, maganda-ganda screen, maganda rin kanyang design. Ang French design, itong si Rico Titan. Definitely, I'm expecting a lot of more good phones from Rico for next year. And if you haven't really watched this video ng review ko ng Rico Titan, link up there. Now, second on my list is si Honor X6. Itong phone na ito made a good comeback, si Honor in the Philippines. And itong si Honor X6 is one of their budget-friendly device na priced at around 7,400 pesos. And I know itong camera, nung nireview ko siya, ang ganda ng impression ko sa kanya. Lalo ka ng design, it looks like yung phone na mga sub 15,000 pesos. Ang kanyang likod is definitely good. Lalo kung gusto nyo piliin yung silver, mas gusto ko siya as opposed dun sa black color kasi yung silver medyo matte finish na likod, hindi siya masyadong fingerprint magnet. But yung black is okay, shiny, pero medyo mabilis dikitan ng mga fingerprints. So, ang kanyang camera is a 50MP na main shooter, and I really can say na at this price point, probably yun lang yung camera at this price point na most decent masasabi ko, and yung kanyang picture quality is probably the best among the mga kalaban niya at this price point. And ito si Honor X6, it's being powered by the Helio G25. And, well, gaming, okay lang naman. Yung mga medyo entry-level na gaming, kaya naman na walang problema. But more of the highlight talaga sa kanyang camera. It was able to give me better shots as compared to other phones I have tried in this price segment. So, therefore, si X6 is one of my recommendation, taking my second spot. Kung hindi pa napanood ang full review nito, link up there. And of course, for my main recommendation for this year best budget phone na sulit sa inyong pera and probably one of the best specs na makukuha nyo at this price point, it's the Redmi 10C. So bakit ko nasabi itong phone na ito? This is probably the only phone at this price point na nakikita ko, no, it's playing around 6,300 pesos to 6,900 pesos sa kanyang 464 na variant. This is the only one na kaya magbenta at this price point ng Snapdragon 680. I know si Vivo, si Oppo, and all of the other brands are trying to use the Snapdragon 680, but they're pricing around 11,000 pesos, 12,000 pesos, 13,000 pesos, or the like, si Xiaomi lang cuts the price into half. But of course, you don't expect yung kanyang camera is as best as tulad nila. But having a Snapdragon 680 at this price point, and well, yung camera is not bad. Battery life is not bad. It can last you more than probably 2 days. Kaya naman niya. Ang kanyang main highlight is that Xiaomi can give you this phone at this jaw-dropping na price, 6,000 plus pesos for a Snapdragon 680. I think this one easily takes the cake for me for this year, sa 2022, for the best budget phone. And I am really proud to say na, well, Xiaomi did it again for this year, and they still are, for me personally, the budget king, si Redmi 10C. So, kung hindi pa napanood ang full review nito phone na ito, I really have a good impression about this phone. Link up there, and of course guys, stay tuned kasi meron pa akong upcoming mga videos for the best mid-ranger na recommend ko for this year, and probably the best flagship phones and best gaming phones also for 2022. So, it'll be coming in a few days, and of course, if you want to buy mga phones na nirecommend ko sa inyo, click the links on the description box below para makita nyo ang mga official site and probably kung ano yung mga upcoming na sale na for this 12/12. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para di naman miss ang future videos dito sa akin. And ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?